The SEC's ongoing silence regarding the Ripple case has raised eyebrows in the crypto community, especially following the announcement that the commission has agreed to dismiss its appeal against Ripple. Eleanor Terrett, host of the Crypto America podcast, sheds light on this situation, explaining the dynamics behind the SEC's decision-making process. Many XRP enthusiasts are left wondering why there hasn't been an official statement from the SEC confirming this significant development. As chatter intensified, users on social media began to voice their questions, seeking clarity on the delay. So, what's holding the SEC back? According to Terrett, even though the SEC has moved to dismiss the Ripple appeal, there are internal processes that need to be followed. The decision doesn't simply get announced, it requires formal internal approval before the SEC can go public. This could be a routine procedural step, yet it adds a layer of complexity to the timeline we might expect for an official announcement. It's important to recognize that within government agencies, there's a chain of command and a meticulous process for handling significant announcements. The SEC, known for being cautious and thorough, is likely ensuring that every aspect of its decision is finalized and appropriately communicated to avoid any potential misinterpretations or backlash. As the crypto market continues to evolve, Ripple's case represents a pivotal moment, not just for the company but for the broader cryptocurrency landscape. The wait for an official statement only adds to the anticipation surrounding the outcome of this case. In the coming days, all eyes will be on the SEC, watching for that moment when they finally make a statement that could ripple through the entire cryptocurrency framework. For now, the crypto community can only remain patient and hopeful that this ambiguity will soon be resolved with clarity from the SEC. As we dive deeper into the Ripple case, it's essential to understand that although the SEC has dropped its appeal, the situation isn't as straightforward as it may seem. The Ripple case remains active because the company has not given up on its own cross-appeal. This cross-appeal centers around Ripple's challenge against a previous court decision concerning its past sales of XRP to institutional clients. The stakes are high here, especially considering the implications of a ruling that sees Ripple facing a hefty $125 million fine along with a permanent injunction for allegedly violating federal securities law. This brings us to a critical juncture in the ongoing legal saga. Judge Annalisa Torres, who presided over the initial ruling, set the path for Ripple's challenges. However, the repercussions of this case extend far beyond just Ripple itself. A favorable outcome for the company could reshape the landscape for crypto firms navigating the complex web of securities regulations. The ongoing debates within the crypto community reflect this unpredictability. Many enthusiasts and investors have been closely monitoring every twist and turn, as they understand that the implications of this case could either enhance or hinder the growth of the cryptocurrency market. The question on everyone's mind is, what does this mean for the future of Ripple and the wider cryptocurrency ecosystem? With the SEC's decisions under intense scrutiny, the outcomes could define how digital assets are treated under U.S. law moving forward. In light of these developments, the focus now shifts to the upcoming SEC closed-door meeting scheduled for March 27, 2025. This meeting could be a pivotal moment where the SEC may address the Ripple appeal directly. It's a moment that many stakeholders are eager to witness, as it could bring about much-needed clarity. As we await the SEC's next steps, the crypto community remains committed to advocating for regulations that foster innovation while balancing compliance. The intrigue surrounding the Ripple case and the SEC's impending decision serves as a reminder that the world of cryptocurrency remains as dynamic and unpredictable as ever. In a landscape rife with challenges and potential changes, Ripple's journey encapsulates the broader struggle that many cryptocurrency projects face today. Whether this case can close the chapter on Ripple's legal issues remains to be seen, but the countdown is on for what could be a significant turning point. For those keeping track, the forthcoming statement from the SEC and its implications will undoubtedly influence the market sentiment and regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies at large. So, let's keep our eyes peeled. Join us next time as we continue to dissect the unfolding stories in the crypto space and how they may impact not only investors but the future of digital currencies. In recent developments within the cryptocurrency realm, Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, revealed that the company is currently in negotiations with the SEC. The stakes are particularly high, as these discussions could lead to the potential dismissal of the fine and the permanent injunction imposed by the regulatory body. If successful, this outcome may significantly alter the ongoing lawsuit that has persisted for over 4 long years. Should the SEC come back with a more favorable offer, Ripple might even consider dropping its cross-appeal against the agency, possibly bringing this drawn-out legal battle to an early conclusion. Shifting gears, let's delve into the key points from Donald Trump's recent speech at the Blockworks Digital Asset Summit. His insights could shape perceptions surrounding cryptocurrency and its role in the financial landscape. Speaking of influential figures in the crypto universe, Donald Trump's media executives are making waves by launching a special-purpose acquisition company, SPAC, aiming to gather $179 million for crypto-related acquisitions. This move could pave new avenues for growth amid an ever-changing market. Meanwhile, financial titans like BlackRock are highlighting Bitcoin's unique qualities, describing it as an emerging global monetary alternative. Such endorsements from well-established institutions could further legitimize cryptocurrencies and attract a broader range of investors. As we dive deeper into the cryptocurrency space, many are pondering why XRP's price hasn't surged following the SEC's decision to drop the Ripple lawsuit. Factors affecting market sentiment and investor confidence can play pivotal roles in price fluctuations. On the horizon, holders of Dogecoin are curious about the future, especially regarding how many millionaires are sitting on Doge worth over $1 million. This news will be intriguing for both enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Plus, analysts are speculating when Dogecoin might reach $10, based on a modest monthly growth rate. In Europe, there's a growing call for the adoption of a digital euro, aimed at countering the threats posed by stablecoins and American payment dominance, according to the ECB's chief economist. Such discussions underscore the urgent need for innovation and adaptation in global finance. Turning our attention back to Bitcoin, the open interest has seen a significant decline of 35%, dipping to $37 billion since its all-time high. This shift raises critical questions about what it might imply for Bitcoin's future price trajectory. Analyzing the crypto markets further, speculation around Solana potentially rallying to $200 amidst ETF hype is gaining traction. Similarly, Binance BNB is in the sights of a bullish breakout, potentially reaching $700 soon. As we look to Bitcoin's near future, discussions are heating up around whether we could see a price surge to $94,000 following the FOMC news, alongside potential resistance levels for Binance at $640 and targets for a breakout rally. Now, let's examine the ever-evolving predictions for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP prices. The landscape appears bullish, with Bitcoin sentiment growing stronger as U.S. bank credit supply rises. Ethereum's targets are $2,100, and the timeline for other altcoins like XRP continues to spark debate. In the realm of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, predictions are making headlines as Shiba Inu breaks from its multi-month channel while analysts forecast a remarkable 154% rally. Meanwhile, long-term holders of Shiba Inu are increasing their stakes, which indicates mounting confidence in this crypto asset. As always, the world of cryptocurrencies is rife with opportunities and challenges. With insights from industry leaders and shifts in market sentiment, the landscape continues to evolve rapidly. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of crypto news and predictions. Stay tuned for more updates as we decipher developments that could impact your investment strategies.